Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will look at 3 reasons that ice makers don't produce enough ice. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Have you ever gone to fill a glass with ice only to find that your ice maker has not produced enough? Let's go over the top 3 reasons that this could be happening to you. Number 1, the freezer temperature. It is not cold enough. Most ice makers need to have the freezer temperature at 15 degrees Fahrenheit or colder to go through the harvest cycle. If your freezer is not cold enough, the internal thermostat of the ice maker will not be satisfied, and it won't enter the harvest cycle. This could be an indication that there is something faulty with your freezer, causing it not to cool properly. Number 2, adding too much unfrozen food in the freezer. Overloading your freezer with warm food will increase the freezer temperature. As mentioned previously, a temperature over 15 degrees Fahrenheit will prevent the harvest cycle. When adding food that is not frozen, it can take 24 to 48 hours to refreeze and bring the temperatures back down to 15 degrees Fahrenheit or below. And number 3, opening and closing the freezer too many times. Now, we've all been there, looking into the depths of the freezer with the door wide open, trying to determine what to eat. By letting all of that cold air escape, you drop the temperatures greatly. And as you know by now, if the ice maker is not 15 degrees or below, it will not enter the harvest cycle. So the next time that your ice maker is not producing enough ice, give your freezer a chance to cool down a bit. Or you may have a faulty component preventing the proper temperature. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.